Let's all go together in prayer as we seek the guidance, the blessing, and inspiration of the Supreme Lord in both aspects, as the Father and as the Mother of the universe. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Kailashapataya Namaha. Om Vakrtunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samabha Nirvighnan Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarudhini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhartune Sada. Mukam Karti Vajharam Angulam Kaitimkiruni Yatipānamaham Vande Paramanandamādhavam. Om Tvameva Mata ca Pita Tvameva Tvameva Vanishya Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidyanabhigam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Aham Najanami Visarjanam Idam Deva Najanami Shamasva Parameshwari. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om.
Nandatangamai Sri Bhumimantai Purivale Satyama Nilakundaya Rondo Vinakunda Ravai Purāranamakalarukuma Kanapunnayare Kachilambo Mutkaliye